This video will go from this to this. Using this. Okay, so this is kind of a part 2, but not for you. Upon attempting to remove the hex screws in here, I got one that was pretty much rounded out due to me not using an impact the first time I tried to take it apart, which is not on camera. So anyway, messed up the screws on there, so I went in and ordered new blades, which comes with new screws. So I can just go ahead and swap it all out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove this to get me a little bit of extra room in there. There, and that's a 7mm. Just go ahead and get it so we can drop it out of the way. Like so. And be sure to drop that or whatever. And so this one here I got pretty boogered up by not using the impact. So one little quick note, it's pretty easy to tell which way it goes in because of this, right? It's tapered. And as always, there'll be a link in the description to this product. Probably be a good idea to use a little drop of blue Loctite on here. I am currently out, so just doing it this way. Alright, now close it up. There we go. Tighten that down. Wow, the degradation of the blades is so slow, I didn't realize how bad it had become. Man, that thing is awesome. So anyway, that's how you replace the blades. I would highly recommend going at it with an impact, a 6mm impact socket before you try anything. I kind of goobered up some of those screws. And yeah, anyway, when I was trying to do that with a ratchet, and that did not work out well. So if you just hit it with an impact and impact socket, you'll be just fine. If not, you can still get it with a ratchet, maybe, depending on how much Loctite, what type of Loctite they put on it from the factory. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching. Oh, and all these items, of course, will be down there in the description, including blades with screws. They fit this. This is sold under many different names, but you know, if you kind of look at it, they are all the same manufacturer. So, alright, there you go. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.